Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So, welcome back to my channel, and this time we're gonna make another exciting episode, which is, I don't know if most of you or some of you know how to do this or have idea what I have to do, but this time I'm gonna show you something like if they have this kind of windows, but this windows is something like customizable, something like it can be a window or it can be a size like a door for your terrace or to your just a normal window. But normally in here in Europe, especially here in Germany, every windows is like this. So the door also going to the terrace is also like this. So it could be a door or a window. Yeah. So this kind of window, I really don't know, but they called it a security window. I am really not so sure if they call this secure because this is secure from the cold and the wind, especially in the winter, or if they call this secure because you cannot really open it from outside when it's locked. Maybe they call this a secure window because both of them. So come on, let's see and let me show you how I did and how I make a doorknobs outside of this window. So if you use this as your door going to your terrace, you don't know how to close it because you cannot grab anything from outside, so there's no doorknob outside. So that's why if you go out, you have to smash your window, or let's call it your door, because there's no doorknobs from outside. I make some DIY doorknobs which you can just take it out and take it in without destroying your window or your doors. Come on, let's do some DIY because you're home alone. So this is the doorknobs that I am planning to use. But anyway, any doorknobs would work because of the screw, because that's why we anyway gonna need it. So with this kind of doorknobs, this is the screw, the tiny screw where you can tie the real screw, which you normally drill it to your door or to your walls or to your windows. First, I want to show you how this kind of doorknobs normally works. So that's just like that. You screw it, and then there's another little screw which you tight this metal thing inside of it. But then again, that's not the idea. The idea is to be removable. So I bought some plastic suction. So I will replace the screw with the suction. But this plastic suction comes with this plastic lock. So normally that's gonna be like the screw of this suction. So I'm gonna put the metal in the middle of this. So as I've mentioned, we're gonna replace the screw with this plastic suction. So we're gonna put the plastic suction as like that. But then, as I've tried the lock, what comes with this plastic suction, the lock is really not fit to my thing. This is so short for these metals. So meaning to say, I have to find a way or a next way how to put this. So I decided to use a stronghold glue. This kind of stronghold glue really sticks together and it really works with metal and plastic, woods and everything. So I just put that glue in between of this plastic and this metal thing. So since this metal thing has a holes inside, so I have to fill up the glue inside also, so to make it sure that will hold tight and securely. So I'm gonna fill up this metal thing with this glue until to the top. So from the bottom to the top, as in really to the top. Your glue might slip out in the future after a time if you don't fill it up until to the top, because inside of this there's a holes that curves like this. So then by this way you're creating a screw made from the glue, so that will hold the metal. So you can also do that without using glue, just the screw, and screw it to the plastic suction, to that rubber suction, and then the rubber suction, tied it back to the handle to your doorknobs. So the next day my glue is already half dried, but the glue already dripped down inside. I think that's the holes for the supposed to be locked for this rubber suction. So I decided to fill it up again to make it sure that we're gonna be really on the top and really full of glue. So I fill it up again, and then I went back the next day. So the next day, so that's the second day already, they are really totally and really filled up, going to the top, really full of glue, and they are really dried already. So this is now ready to put it on our doorknobs. So this process now is really not so complicated anymore. This is really just easy. You just put it back to the doorknobs and you just tighten up the screws, the tiny screws there. And then that's ready to go. Your removable doorknobs is now finished and ready. So we're gonna put it now to our window. So with this rubber suction, everybody knows you must make this a little bit wet to stick. Yes, and we are gonna put it like this. So the first day that you put this, because this is still wet, this will gonna slide a little bit, so better be careful for the first day. But the next day, the water will gonna dry it out, and that will really gonna stick like a glue there. So that really gonna be stuck there and really holds good. So now you have your doorknobs in your window, and you also didn't destroy your window at the same time. So see how good is that and how clever is that? So now you see it, guys. I hope this helped you and give you some ideas. Thank you for watching, and watch my others videos, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye.